Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Pelcar Sumera at welcome po sa aking channel. At ngayon po ay magmamarinate po tayo ng spare ribs, pork spare ribs. 3 pounds po ito. So, ang unang ingredients ay 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. You can use regular black pepper if you want. One valve of garlic, 4 pieces of bay leaf, 1 medium size of bulb onions, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So, i-mix po natin. Yan po. Tapos po ay i-marinate po natin, refrigerate natin for at least 12 hours para kumapit ng maigi yung mga ingredients. So, ayan po ang recipe natin na how to marinate pork spare ribs adobo. And thank you po ulit sa inyong papanood at sana po ay patnubayan po kayo ng buong may kapal. God bless po. So, ayan na po, ready to cook na. At ngayon po ay maglalagay po tayo ng 1 cup of water, and then cover, and then make sure lang po na i-mix well hanggang mag-juice, yung juice na mag-juice. So, at iluluto po natin siya sa medium heat hanggang mawala yung tubig. But keep stirring occasionally. So, ayan po ang ating recipe for today. Pork ribs adobo with olives. Thank you again for watching.